Hello, in this video I am with the Tozo T12 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from previously connected devices. Next, open this charging case and remove left and the right earbud. Take a look for the indicators. And if they are not automatically blinking blue and the red, just click once on this right earbud. You can also put them close to your ear to hear for some voice notifications. But in the most cases, when you click once on the right earbud, they will turn to the pairing mode. So right now, just keep them out of this charging case and put them close to your laptop. Open the settings, and go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on, select to add device and select Bluetooth. Now select Tozo T12 from the list, and when we are successfully connected, you can also check in the sound settings for the output and the input device. Right here we have to switch manually. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.